a digital marketing agency with the name Digital Dynamics, and now here I'm running meta ads to receive new leads for my business. So after receiving leads, engaging with them is the most important task a brand should definitely do. So now the question is how you can start engaging with your leads instantly as they are received. So here I've got up the amazing answer for this question. Now whenever I receive a new lead through my meta ads, instantly a personalized WhatsApp message is sent to my lead like this, so that I can start engaging with my lead on WhatsApp instantly. Yes, you heard it right. And here no manual effort is included, no human source is included, everything is automated. I have set up a simple automation connecting my meta ad lead application with my all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform. Now whenever I receive a new lead through my meta ads, instantly a WhatsApp message is sent to my lead on WhatsApp via Pabbly Chatflow, which is all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your business. But before moving forward with the learning, let me show you how it actually works by simply generating a test lead inside my meta ads. For that we are going to use Meta for developers, and from here we are going to access lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is developer tools, and under this you have to select lead ads R2 debug tool. Now under this lead ads testing tool by Meta, I'm going to select my page that I have with the name Digital Dynamics, product as lead retrieval, and my form. So we're going to preview the form, and now I'm going to answer some questions and make a form submission. Alright, let's move forward. Here I'm going to add the lead details. Here for the email we are going to select it as test@pabblytunes.com, full name as test user, and for the phone number I'm going to add my number in order to receive the WhatsApp message over here. Alright, then we are going to click on this continue and then submit. You can see we have successfully made a form submission. So now let's go and check our WhatsApp. And you can see a new message has been received over here just right now with the name hi test user, and this is the same message. So with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation, and now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your business too. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. First, if you're a new user, click on sign up for free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. Or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. And here I can assure you that you are going to get maximum discount that Pabbly is currently offering on their plans using my coupon code irrespective of any other coupon code available. So go and make your purchase right now. Alright, now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps menu where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to build a new connection, we are going to create a workflow first, and here you can see three methods. First, if you want to build a workflow step by step, select create from scratch. To build a workflow completely using AI prompts, use create using AI, and for a quick workflow setup, use quick builder. Here we are going to start a fresh chart, and it is asking, hey, what would you like to automate today? So I'm going to describe my workflow and give it as a prompt to this quick workflow builder. Now let me add it. It says when a new lead comes in from Facebook lead ads, send WhatsApp message via Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can change your applications as well. After analyzing my request, it is asking which Facebook lead ads trigger should start this workflow. So we're going to select new lead instant, and for Pabbly Chatflow we're going to select send text message. Here you can have a preview of your workflow. If it's correct, select approve and create, and we have received our workflow link. So with this we have successfully created a workflow using quick workflow builder. Now let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin through automation by simply setting up a trigger. Here we have selected app and the app event. So we're going to build a new connection, and we are going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired Facebook account, and then we are going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. You can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking for a page name and the lead gen form. So as you know that I have a Facebook page with the name Digital Dynamics. So we're going to select same from the drop down, and for the lead gen form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite from the Facebook page. Under Meta Business Suite, we are going to select all tools, and then we are going to select instant forms. Now here under this lead ads form, you can see the multiple forms that I already have with different names. In this case, we are going to use this first form. You can create your form as per your requirement. So I'm going to select same from the drop down. Here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. After selecting the page and the lead gen form, I'm going to update this response format to simple because I want to receive the response in a simple organized format. Then we are going to click on the save and send test request, and you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a response we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission we need to generate a test lead, again using lead ads testing tool by Meta. So for that, let me take you back to lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one, because it says you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So we're going to click on this delete lead button, and it says your lead has been deleted. So now we are going to refresh it, and that's a necessary step. And now we are going to select our page as Digital Dynamics, product as lead retrieval, and our form. Then you're going to click on this preview form. Here you're going to add some details and make a test submission. Let's select random details, and here we are going to add the leads detail. Alright, after updating the details, we are going to click on this continue and then submit. You can see we have successfully made a form submission over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And you can see we have received a successful response where we have received all the lead details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. Now once we have received a new lead through our Meta ads, instantly we are going to send a WhatsApp message, a personalized WhatsApp message to this lead via all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. You can connect another WhatsApp communication platforms as well, such as Wati, Interact, WhatsApp by SNC, or WhatsApp Cloud API. For now, I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow, and here we're going to build a new connection. Here it is asking for a token, and to get the token we are going to click on this hyperlink available over here. From here, access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel. So now here to get the token, we are going to click on the settings, then select API and webhooks, and here you can see this is the API token. So we're going to copy it, and then we're going to add it over here. Click on the save button, and you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking for a respond WhatsApp mobile number. So here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So instead of entering it manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that I'm going to receive a new lead through our Meta ads. Instantly, this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter a slash first, and here we are going to map the phone number. Then it is asking for a WhatsApp message. So let me add my message. Alright, so this is my WhatsApp message, and here in the place of this first name, I am going to map my lead's name over here. So this is my lead's name, and here I've used asterisks before and after some text to make that particularly text bold. So with this, we have successfully completed the message. Here these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave them blank. And for the keys, we are going to turn on this map button, and then we are going to leave it blank because I don't want to add any keys over here. After that, we are going to click on the save and send test request. But before that, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message over here. Let me add mine. Alright, after adding the details, we are going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a new message on our WhatsApp number. Let's go and check it. And you can see we have received a new message over here with the name as Hi Smart User this time, and this is exactly the same message. So with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as Meta Ads application, which is Facebook lead ads, and action as all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So that we're going to receive a new lead through our Meta Ads, then automatically an instant personalized WhatsApp message will be sent to our lead via WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to send personalized WhatsApp messages to Meta Ads leads. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do not miss to use my coupon code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.